Morning all. Today we are going to see Unix session 6, and in today's topic we are going to see some new commands. So we'll start with the first command, that is WC command. So WC command means word count. So in the previous semester you have studied the C programming. In the C programming you may have written the program like to count the number of lines, number of words, letters, characters from a specific file or a input which is provided to it. So, which is a lengthy program in a C programming, or if you try to write it in any other programming language, it is going to be lengthy to count number of lines, number of capital letters, number of small letters, or number of words present, number of characters present in that. So, but in Unix, you just need a single command, that is WC. So, if you use WC command, you can able to count the number of lines, number of words, number of characters, bytes from a specified file name which you provide as a input. See the definition. It means word count. It is used to find number of lines, word count, and byte and characters from the specified files in the as the arguments. By default, it displays 4 columnar output. So if you use WC command, what output it displays? The first column, it displays the output like it shows number of lines present in a file specified. The next column, it shows the number of words present in the file. The third column, it shows the number of characters present in file. And the fourth column, it shows the file name which are given as argument. Okay, now let us see the various examples on that and the various options which we can use with this WC command. So let us see one example. So in a file, that is state.txt, the following data is available, and there is another file capital.txt, the following data is available. So using cat command, you are displaying the contents of those files. So if you use WC and the file name, it shows this output. The first column, it shows the number of lines, and you can see here, check out how many lines are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And next is it displays number of words. You can see how many words are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So whenever there is a space in between, the next characters it contains as a word. So there are 7 words. Next is characters, or we can say bytes, it displays. Okay, so how many total number of bytes, or you can say bytes, or the total number of characters are present in that. Okay, next output you can see, next example, capital.txt. There are 5 lines, 5 words and 45 bytes or characters. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so you can also use more than one arguments for a WC command. In this way you can use WC, first file name and second file name, and it will show the output in this. First output is of test.txt, next is capital. Then it is going to count this. Total how many lines? 10 lines and total 12 words and 108 bytes total. So you can use WC command with the -l. That means if you want to display only the lines. So how you are going to use? $WC and -l and the file name. So it will display only the number of lines from that file. So with this option, WC command displays two columnar output. First column shows number of lines, whereas second shows file name. You can also use -l command with more than one file name. So WC-L, first file name and second file name. So this is number of lines of state.txt, number of lines of capital.txt. And you can see here total it is showing. Next is -w. So -w command we use to count the number of words present in a file. Okay. So how you are going to use? Same way, WC-w and file name. So it is going to show total how many words are present in that file name. You can also use with more than one file name. -w, first file name and second file name. You can see here. Next is -c. So this option displays or count of bytes present in a file. So if you use -c, it will display the count of bytes. It is going to count the number of bytes of that specific file. You can also use with more than one file name. Okay, you can see here. Next, you can use -m option with WC. So it count of characters. If you want to count the characters. Okay. So WC-m state.txt and actually count -m and -c, that is count of characters and count of bytes. The output it shows in the same way. Okay, but -c it considers the bytes and -m it considers the characters. You can also use that with more than one file name, -m. You can see here. Now let us see one example. They are given one task to count all files and folders present in directory. Now they have told you to count all files and folders which are present in a particular directory. So we can use for this WC command with various options to count the number of files and directories present in that particular directory. See this example, ls. Okay, this is one folder and these all contents are available in that folder. Okay, now total how many contents are there in this folder, you need to count that. Whether it is a file or whether it is a directory, you are going to count it. So how we are going to do? ls folder unix, and you are going to use pipe command here. So we use pipe command to take this as input and supply it to this command. So this input will be supplied to WC command -l. Okay. So what is the work of the WC-l command? It will count the number of lines from this folder. So total how many lines are there in this folder? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So total 7 total files and directories are there. So the output which you will get is 7. Okay. So it has counted including all files and directories. There are total 7 contents available in that folder. So to display number of word count only of a file, we use WC-w file name. Okay. Now see, if you use such type of command, it will count the number of words and it will also show the file name. In some cases, you want only the words. You don't want to display this file name. You can cut that. You can cut the output in the columns. If you want only the first column, you can take only the first column. Second column, you can cut it from the displaying. So to display first column only, pipe output WC-w command is used with the cut. Okay, cut command is also used with the option -c, or you can also use the option this. See the example. So what is the output of this command? It will count the number of words, and that will be supplied as input to this command. So what this command does, okay, it is going to cut. Okay, we have used here cut command, that means it is going to cut. Okay, hyphen C means it is going to cut now column wise. Which column it is going to cut? First column, it is going to cut first column. So it was 0, 0th was 7, it was displaying 7, and 1 column was displaying file name. State.txt. So first column it is going to cut. You can also use this command in between, both displays the same output. So it will direct the output to this file. So this is your assignment. Okay, this one we already studied. Okay, take one specific folder or take one specific file name, and from that you count total number of line, word and character. Okay, now count how many files and directories are there in the current directory. As you can take one directory and you can count how many total are there. Or display length of longest line. Okay, if you want to display the length of longest line, you can do that using the WC command. So in today's topic, we have studied all about the WC command and how it can be used with various options. Thank you.